Усім привітання! З вами знову Михайло Гриза. І ми притягуємо проходить GTA San Andreas на платиновій трофі. Пробачте, що шмат часу не було мені з вами. Бо я захворів, по-перше, а по-друге, були гульні Навіна і Pro League 17 сезон. У яким сьогодні перемогла команда FaceClan з ліком 3-1. Так, а мне бы сменить отдельно, але грошей нема. Угу.
Woolsey?
Oh, Carl.
You could at least turn the lights on.
Oh, I thought I had. But this window here must let some light in.
Yeah, this perfect right here. This what we gonna plan heist at.
Anyone else coming?
Nah,
Couldn't we have done this in my office?
you gotta have a secret place to plan shit like this. That's just how it's done.
Okay, I see where you're coming from. So, what do we do?
I guess we gotta make a plan.
Speaking of plans, do you have the layout to Caligula's casino?
Shit. Nah. I guess I gotta go get one.
Meeting adjourned?
Meeting adjourned.
Meeting adjourned. И светло вырубил. Наушта маскоды. Так, а мне огонь. Пяшка стоит. Пяшка мне подходит. У меня нема фотоапарата. Обов'язково треба гэтага задавіць. Нема фотоапарата.
Some crazy idiot or something?
Потопився, ні? Потопився. У кого ж фотоапарат є? Дядно оказали сопротивление. Сопротив офицеру полиции. Все добрый офицер, я просто выполняю свой громадянский обовязок. Службовый. О, забил его. Так само нема фотоапарат. А у кого фотоапарат? Да что ты по мне стреляешь? Не стреляйте по мне, когда вас. Ну и там их еще двое. Ты был их задавить на машине, да все.
Charlie, puto, watch it.
Ну это с фотоапаратом. Чому ты не выстрелил? Сколько бегают собаки? Да попал же. Да спрыгивай, влезай. Вы ж дурны. Ну, ты что, бог бежит. А я бежит, а другий бог. Правильно, мне так будет зручнее.
I've been looking forward to this. Aim for his face.
The party doesn't stop.
Не, я хочу его с пистолета забить.
What goes up must come down. Bullshit.
Don't touch that radio, кажуть, ну. Обов'язково його переключу. Вже тако. О. Ну, зараз у меня на ютубе не слышите. Ютуб блокует вас. Депеш мод. А, колы пробитый, вот. А я думаю, что он так древно поворачивает? А тут колы пробиты.
Really? Great. Could you wipe out all the other radio stations in town for me?
Hey, I don't do that anymore. I only use my powers for good.
Ah, look, this isn't a cartoon or TV show. Let's get real for a second. The problem with people like you who have superpowers is that you really don't use them for good. If I had superpowers, everyone would be naked. And women signing autographs at conventions couldn't resist me. All right, go into the conspiracy line.
Yeah, this is my...
Put that weapon away, sir. Thank you for your cooperation, sir.
Вообще-то я по службовому виконанню.
Can I help you, sir?
I'd like to see the architectural plans for the Caligula's Casino, please.
Okay, sir. Are you aware that the reproduction of such plans is prohibited?
Yeah, I'm only after some reference.
You'll find the plans on the top floor.
Но с тобой мы позднее поговорим. Интересно такого бронекамизелька. А где там был выйти на поверх? А, вот, не зауважил дверь. Ну-ка. Пожар, пожар!
Everybody out. This is not a drill.
Learn to walk straight.
Where are those damn firemen?
Like a rabid fire.
Нету бронекамизельки. Мені потрібна бронекамізелька. Є? Это мне не допоможет. Либо бронекамизельку. Ну нема так нема.
You move in. I got kids.
На, не мой вошел. Не могу. Не мог вошел, не мог бронекамизельки, нема ничего. Что ты результат?
Maybe I say it. Listen to Fernando. There is nothing like the real thing. It is so silly to spend hundreds of dollars to heal you, like a chiropractor, but not as creepy and addictive. Hello, Frank from Costa Valley.
I wish my dog could talk.
You stay away from animals. It's not legal.
Чотири зірки пошуку, зачем збирає ціль?
Get this film developed for Woozy.
You got it, CJ. Good work.
Realizing your body. I say this. I once played
Ледь не загинул.
passion. I realized
Зачем крыху здоровья заставился?
People in insurance only care about
А сколько уже это навык? Вот не полову. Ой, с другой стороны бок.
Pushing a woman around? No more bets, ladies and gentlemen.
This is a good hand, and I'm sticking with it. Now that's how a professional does it, baby.
Now I know you blind, man, but you gotta see this.
Very clever. So what's the prognosis? Is this just going to be extremely difficult, or next to impossible?
Hear me out on this, homie. All right, the cash room is on the bottom level. There's a bunch of rooms and a tunnel under the whole building with access to the casino floors at either end of the complex. All right? Now, security consists of CCTV, a key code access, and in places, a swipe card.
Hey, are you pointing again?
Oh, my bad. Habit.
Ah, don't worry. It's good practice for when we finally get a crew in on this.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, boss. This arrived for CJ.
Hey! Damn, man. Now we seen the plan.
Well, then we've got our first recruit. Come on in and shut the door.
О, фист.
All right, cool. This the security card reader that Zero sent over. Now all we need to do is get one of those cards. Luckily, there's always one guaranteed weak link in any security setup. the human heart.
Barbados is lovely.
Look, I want to be very clear. I'm not racist. Just careful.
Okay.
I like all-inclusive resorts. You can drink as much as you want, be around other people from San Andreas, and the only interaction you have with the locals is if you need a cocktail or some spice in the bed when your husband.
Well, that sounds lovely. With people like you, it's no wonder we don't bother.
Another shift over. See you tomorrow.
Хто тобі дозволив паркувати свою машину тут, на гэта место?
Private instead of hanging out some
Испугометр.
of ourselves. People say it's so civilized in Europe. They got thousands of years of history. Well, I saw a movie about Europe once and I was disgusted. When people still defecate in their living rooms and cover it up with dirt like a cat.
Направо
You can't find
поверни,
a
да?
decent toilet anywhere. Or a good chicken wing. And a strippers?
Нет, прямо, не направо.
Good lord, you're Philistine.
А там нельзя развернуться, что? По-моему, направо
There's a
есть.
casino in Venturas that is just like the rest of the world, only with better toilets and full of morons like you. Do you
Ну,
want
пусть ніколи не
culture? Do you
запомни
want
глядел
safety?
на
It's your
маршрут,
choice. Personally, I want irrigation.
бо не орієнтувався в городі. А зараз видиш, що секшоп прямо.
Let's go to the phones. Who's on the phones? No one. Come on, call up. Anyone? Wouldn't be like this in Peru, I can tell you.
По передней миссии я добежал до самого секс-шопу.
Because I paid them. They wanted to be there. Or in
Там,
Mali,
напевно, поворот налево заборонен.
a lot of people have never even heard of plastic surgery or the Glory Hole theme park. There, the Glory Holes aren't theme parks, I can tell you. It's violent and bloody and authentic. What are you scared of? You wimps! Give me a call! Someone! Please! Hello, you're on Wild Traveler. Where are you? I'm on a cliff. How romantic. I want to jump. I know what you mean. Jump into the unknown. How can it be a sin if it feels good? Anyway, what's your question? Why am I here? I don't know. Why are you there? Where are you? Kenya? No, I'm in first class. Loathsome place. I'd jump if I were you.
Не вызываем никаких подозрений. Подозрений быть не повинно. О, не выкликаем собак.
I have employed the services of a young man who has been my guide in pleasure as well as travel. There is something
Просто забороненный разговор. Тому оно так есть. Бо иначе это не має сенс. Я почти задавил.
And there we took part in an ancient rite of passage for adolescents on the cusp of adulthood. We hunted each other in game very... I'm broken. I thought he had something. But it seems he would rather become a fisherman than follow me in an exotic life of degeneracy and narcotics as my houseboy.
Конечно, это день изменит.
Wow, it's nice and tight.
I'm sure you'll squeeze in just fine. Let's have a look.
Perfect. Oh, hi, Benny. Yes, Master. I'm just trying it on. You got yours? Cool. I'll see you at my house in a short while.
А як на конт? А что на конт этих самых ролевых гульнев с офицером полиции? Такі аномалії змінився. Дупа нейка.
gardening with Maurice.
Так, головне не выкликать подозрения.
Okay, we are back in the garden. I'm Maurice, and we must answer nature's call. Going to the phones. Greetings, garden lover. What's your name?
Hi, my name's Trish.
Okay, is that short for Patricia?
Yeah.
Oh, then what I asked is what your name was, not the nickname skinhead boot-wearing friends call you at the rallies. You should do less drugs and learn to try a bit harder. Next caller.
Hi, my name is Pauline, and my husband has a cochlear problem.
Эй, кто ударил мою машину?
Small scale, just recreational usage. You know, doing horses and cockerels, yeah, unicorn. But it's kind of gotten out of control.
How so?
He just can't stop. I mean, people think it's all fun and games.
Так, мы повернули направо и направо. Табак мы едем на полночь зараз.
Well, that's your business. My husband freaks bottom. It's terrible. Giraffes, lions, elephants, rhinos, all of them carved out of hedges. Penguins, dogs, velociraptors, you name it, he's made a leaky version.
What could be more natural than a man trimming a hedge into the shape of an animal? Very therapeutic. Makes a man feel like a god. When you can twist nature to your own perverse entertainment, then you know we've won. Eat me, darling.
But now he's trimming bushes into a spaceship, a rocket, and a lance. He runs around with hedge clippers and screams, "Trim that bush! Hit our neighbors!" He even fashioned a shrub into a kangaroo with a pouch, and he sleeps inside it so nice. Oh, he's freaking out on Bush. He needs help. Please, you've got to help me. I hate hedges.
Now, the Romans loved topiary, and look at their contributions to society. But as they say, if the grass is greener in the other fella's yard, hey, it's college son, dad's out of town. Okay, next caller. Whoops, hold on a second, I'm blousing.
My name's Henry.
Ты пошкодил мою машину, что ты любишь?
I guess I am. I've really come into my own in the past few months since I joined the cult and began tithing money in exchange for spiritual happiness and letting everyone take turns on my wife. Anyway, I have a lovely garden, mostly carnivorous plants.
Нет, поездов нема, поездов нема.
Anyway, it's so fascinating how
Чему я назад поехала?
I started with flies, and now mine can swallow a whole squirrel. Or a small horse if I chop it in half first.
Have you tried any experiments on human beings?
Yeah, I've been working on that.
Good man!
И она это самое, проехала свой поворот?
Something is at the height of beauty and potential. It is time for it to wither and die. It's run by...
The door's open, Master.
The door's open, Master.
Come on in. I'm ready for you.
You've been a naughty girl.
Oh, I know. I know.
Spit it out, filthy worm.
You'll never break me.
Гэта мы jeszcze поглядим.
Punish you more.
Oh, Benny, you minx.
Оплетка ее. Не будет такого? О. Так, чудовно, где мой мотоцикл?
Plants that eat them? I got a better solution. Put pesticide in the sprinklers. My kids love it.
Что мы зараз едем ужим.
right up your ass.
Oh, yes! Another man who grows miniature plants so he can feel like a giant.
Hey, you need a fighter's physique. Go put on some muscle.
Давай гантельки. 10 разов. Оп. Раз. Два. Три. 4. 5. 5. 6. 7. 7. 8. 9. 10. Здається, мені це достатково. Чого у мене жига нема?
Hey, you need a fighter's physique. Go put on some muscle.
Не бойся, что я тебе в сандвич зашибу. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14.
That's why I choose Bouche Cologne. The name Cologne stems from the Roman Empress Agrippina, who'd sleep with anyone. I know. I did. And I'll sleep with you too. God, I love
Моль полова есть, это прям накопить.
Hey, you want to learn some new moves? What's your problem?
Как висит-то?
Maniac, fool! Look where you... I'm well dressed, but I still ain't a bitch. Watch this. It'll come in handy.
Только на
Rush
бегу.
your opponent and strike fast.
Ну, это такое.
You gotta press home your advantage.
А, не. По яйцам бить, я разумел.
Just keep piling on the pressure. Don't give your opponent time to fight back.
Это самое мощное. Давай ему покажем. Потому что мы научились.
I'm rich and fucking crazy.
Оп, оп, оп.
Mom, Josh just broke the vodka bottle on your nightstand. Chris did it. You little
Ну
shit,
что,
I'll kill you.
отыграемся на 50 тысяч. На 50. А что там за? Я купил некий дом. Набыл. Я не памятаю, як я набыл дом.
I love my family. What can I do?
Sometimes you need a helping hand. Send the right message
Коли мене
about
тут
values
гроші
and
на його
character
були.
with Grin. Grin readjusts your brain chemistry in a completely safe way.
I hated my life. Now I love my minivan. Instead of...
I'll never get in your way.
Ні, лучше нам треба отыграться. Там, где вот это самое. Шулеры сидят. Тут. 100 000, нам подойдет. Но все равно. Столько нема.
Place your bet, sir.
Так, увеличить на кружок. Увеличить. Так, ага. 47 000. Поехали. 5, 3. О, тебе 13, так. Угу.
18.
Come on, card.
Недостаточно.
No winner.
Ну что ты, собака.
Please place your bet.
21.
12. 18. Sir is lucky today.
Ой. Так,
Please
присягну.
place your bet.
Yes, pay up, buddy.
14.
Тикаешься.
15.
Ну давай.
You win.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Так, не треба стоп повеличи. 1000. Ось.
Place your
Ось.
bet, sir.
Отдыхаемся. 100% отдыхаемся.
13. 14. Your bust, sir.
Какие?
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Отдыхались, а что? Собака, а?
Baby, I'm back! I am back! Let's get this show on the road!
The good doctor has revived the patient.
Thank you,
Sweet
thank
as my
you,
son.
thank
Sweet.
you.
So everything's straight now?
No! Absolutely not! I'm still screwed! Absolutely screwed, but at least now I'm in the right frame of mind! What the fuck are we gonna do? Any minute now, some mafia bullet is going to splatter my brains all over the wall! My wall. My beautiful wall.
Ooh, you missed a bit. I love that.
Forget about it. Oh, that's a great idea, Tony, but you know what? It ain't gonna work, okay? Not this time. No way, no.
Look, man, relax. Get a grip.
Yeah, you're right. I need to get a grip.
Take control.
Yes. Grab the bull by the horn.
And show everybody who's boss.
I'm the boss. I am the boss.
All right, then.
All right. Let's tear this
That's
town
what I'm
up.
saying. So where we going?
Details! Details! Let's just get there.
Rack 'em up, Macca. What's the matter with you?
Details.
Gymnastics, hey, Jack from Idle.
Здається, мне это не я казино Калиовку ограбил, а я номини.
I gotta get out of this game. Shit, my nose is pissing like a racehorse. That is really good stuff. Drive faster, would you please? Come on. What are you, an old lady?
So you trying to get out?
Yes, God, yes. I want to do something safe and legal and boring with people that like me. And have a wife and some kids and get divorced and fight for weekend access like everybody else.
Listen, I'll see what I can do.
Thanks, I'm just so tired of all this life. That's bullshit. Ah, shit's all down my damn shirt and everything. Do my best shirt, too. Doesn't this shirt look good on me?
Has no female callers that you change stations. I know I would, and have. I'm not here anymore.
If you crave news, WCTR, West Coast Talk Radio.
Lager, the beer that brought the forest down.
Okay, let's get this over with. I'm the boss. I am the boss. I'm the boss. I am the boss. Yeah.
Поехали.
What's going on? Did you forget something?
No, look, you go on in. I'ma wait.
Look, you gotta come with me this once. If I pull this off, I can carry on. I know I can, but please, you gotta come with me. I'm gonna squirt my ass all over the floor. Just this once, please. Please.
Okay, chill. Shit, this can't look good. Listen, everything gonna be okay. Just remember, you the boss.
I'm the boss? I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I am the boss. Hey, boys. Tell your boss that Ken Rosenberg is here to see him.
Ken who?
Ken Rosenberg. Ken Rosenberg, the guy that runs this town. So, how's Johnny?
He's doing much better. Yeah. He ate something this morning.
Oh.
Hey, Ken. Oh, my Christ, this fucking thing. Ken, como esta? How you doing?
Pretty good. And you?
I still got a little bit of the night terrors, touch of diarrhea, but I'll get through it.
Huh, diarrhea. Cool.
And who's this?
How you doing, Johnny?
It's fucking him. It's him. Oh, my head. Oh, God. It's him. Oh, my heart.
Это той самый человек, якого ми на капоті покатали.
Damn, that nigga fucked up.
She said and walked. Осуждаем, осуждаем. Добре, на вас напали, давайте спалим собственную эту самую фабрику. Это ж так логично, ну. Нам ж тут больше не треба працевать. Он чуем перепрыгивает.
Shit! They started a fire to keep us back. There must be an extinguisher here somewhere. Find it.
Carl, leave no witnesses or we're dead meat. Got the extinguisher. I got the extinguisher. I ain't coming out till it's safe.
He got the extinguisher. И он набыл огнетушитель.
Take those guys out and I'll put out the flames.
Есть тут еще что-нибудь цікавое, не?
I'm gonna start up the meat trap.
Ну. Гроші мені потрібні, бо у мене нема. $100 одержали.
Stand back. I'm gonna blast these flames. Well, what are you waiting for?
Что ты робишь? Да ну, хорош.
Screw this. I'm gonna hide in the freezer.
Давай, ховайся.
CJ, some guys locked me in the freezer. Come on. I'm gonna pop your fucking eyeballs. Get a place ready. CJ, get me out of here.
I'm in a good mood today. I'm only gonna maim you.
И как я тебе выйду?
Hey, I'm about to close the book on you.
Okay, stay in there while I finish off these assholes.
Бегают что-то там.
Okay, it's clear.
What did I say? What did I do?
Nothing. My bad. Now take cover.
Oh, fuck. What is it about my luck? I'm screwed. We gotta do something.
А что, на пеху опять учинили, или что?
Well done, CJ.
Что вы так того кричите?
Shit, this is insane. I'm never doing drugs again. Never, ever, ever, ever. Ooh. Oh.
Okay, it's clear.
Как бы не так. Как бы не так.
Hey, I'll have that.
Что ты побежал? Стоять.
You should run away.
А кули кончились. Кончились кули, разумеется.
The exit's through the stockhouse.
Отвезите Кена обратно в казино.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck out of here. We need some wheels. Get me back to Caligula's.
You calm down and follow my lead.
Oh, fuck, man. We work well as a team together, huh, CJ? You and me tearing this town up? Nobody can stop us. Nobody in the world.
Johnny's a done deal, and so is his gang.
Too fucking right they are, dumb pussies. Oh, fuck, I'm fucking screwed. What the fuck am I gonna do? Shit!
You just gotta hang in there. Play it dumb. I'll figure out a way to get you out of this.
Just drop me at the airport.
Nah, man. They gotta think you dead. I'll think of something. I promise.
Mama, it's not a room. What does that neon sign say?
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean a giant den of love. Toilet's not needed. Whatever, little man. Get your ass over here now and give that room a tidy.
Give me a...
Get in there and be cool. Like you just been out for a relaxing drive or something.
Calm. Yeah, calm. I'm calm. Real fucking calm. I'm calm, Mr. Calm, Mr. Calm. That's me, Mr. Calm.
Так, цудовно, у меня еще зараз мотоцикл скрали. Пойду тоже какую-нибудь машину скраду. Наприклад... Какую машину скрасти? Хто відає добру машину, яку можна скрасти? Ведь гэта как скрасти. Нічого собі тут фрески прямо такі намальовані. Справді. Це не я.
I know it's you, you stinking perro. Look, just say what you gotta say. I ain't interested in the stupid games. Stupid games? This is my heart you play with. What? Look, you damn. Gotta change my number.
Epsilonism. Is it a load of crap, or is it
Ну, что типа по эпсилонизму рассказывают.
I don't know. Well, I mean, I grow my own religion. Why I don't know. It's kind of space.
Не хапила худкость. Треба на дах залететь.
Sound addictive to me.
Ну, вы стоит.
Popular people are addicted to either. Let's go to the phones.
Для этого треба машина, яка ездит хотя бы. Мне 100% не такая. Камелот.
You know, I went to a museum once. That guy's got a point.
Points are irrelevant, Laszlo. Let me ask you something. Do you want to be...
Другая справа. Зачем меньшая справа? Oh, my ex is living in Texas.
K-Rose! Because if you spend more time with farm animals than your wife, you'll have a lonely heart and a nasty infection.
Who the hell do you think you are?
This song reminds me of the truck stop off of 70 in Columbia, Missouri.
Какая шлята, маля, дощу видно. Бачно. Oh, cause I'm loving in the night.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Loving every night. I'm loving rainy night.
Country music fans if we don't like people telling us what to do. records next, then my radio, and then my battery-operated love.
Ну, амаль целое. Не бита, не крашено. 26 тысяч. Что там за 108? Место и джоги. Место и джогник этот сюда луном.
Do I look that easy?
Там буллет есть.
I only date strippers.
На буллете поеду. Где мой буллет? Вот мой буллет.
But, you know, I would like to find about being rich and crime. Just right now, I'm just poor and crime. But this is the West Coast, you know? I'm only the lesbians, man.
It's destiny. Find
Задавил.
In the Epsilon program, there are no series finales. It goes on and on and on. We depend on you.
Well, we're gonna have to abandon this show. Great. First show, it kills me now being harassed by a former sociology professor.
Подчиняю богата, я лицензирован пилот. Лицензован. Пилот с лицензией. Ну, чё не стоит? Так, а потом будет рано. А, вот я шок ты надел. На какую кнопку тормоз? На квадрат. Чё, зажимел? Так, хотите сюда полки. Так, разворот зараз будет. Главное не скинуться вниз. Так, зараз саме узке місце. Я не бачу дороги. І мені нема тормозов із-за дождю. Головне просто не спішатися. Дождь скончайся. Дождь, ну давай, проходь. Проходь мимо. Ну дождь, ну колеса. Все, ладно, тут я не скинулся вниз. Тому тут повинно все быть добрым. Блин, мне бы зараз штаны переодеть, надо. Смешно выглядает. Так, Джорни.
Dance all night, miss work the next day. This is the music that connects us. That and drug abuse. You won't even remember this song tomorrow.
We're all going to be computers soon, you know? Thank goodness. Todd Terry.
Заёпали мне машин.
I need this, I'm sorry.
Не зрозумів. Я ж не заеду вверх. Я ж не поверну там. Ну он. Якісь гроші, на які можна отыграть. Да, смешно штаны зараз. Так, берем буллет. Треба час перевести. Треба сохраниться один раз. Ну и заодно штаны переодеть. Заменить штаны.
Careful, man!
Так, где мои штаны?
Enjoy listening to mental patients? Area 53 is next.
Is your child really an alien? Has the future already happened somewhere else? And finally, is cheese the latest weapon in the battle against communism? We explore deeper, much deeper. I'm Marvin True. This is Area 53. Prepare to be appalled. Hello?
Yes, hello. I would like to talk about a...
Зараз він знову змінить. На Вуштянг это робить. Так, учимся летать, безбилетник, на G500. Безбилетник это что за миссия? Да, безбилетник это пошло. Конечно, буллета не мог. Придется на этой войне ехать. Бога, тут недалеко. А добре, що сохранився, бо ну от я зараз з першого разу не виконую. Я звалюся где-нибудь, не возьму чекпоинт и все. И прийду другим чи третім до фінішу. Буду змагатися, але ж нічого не гарантовано. Так, давай только зараз. Без толповых это.
The fries go with that shake, says the Funktopus. Hey, matey mighty tootie. Hey, Jack Howitzer. Stop snorting steroids. The groove that set the standard. Let's keep the party going. And it's growing, y'all.
Бронекамізель перед судом. Так, ну зараз добре, що зараз дождю нема. Так, побачите. Ага, уникальный прыжок не выконал. Где еще что выконал? Так, отлично. Судовно. Ну, я ж сказал, не выконали с первого раза. Лишнего улетел у нас. Зачинен. Не?
If only the world was less like this.
I could use a smoke.
Hey, cut that out! And more like this.
I could use a smoke.
You murderer! I might have children one day! Smoking kills, unless you kill first. If you're around a smoker, you will die. Smokers may look relaxed and like they're having fun. Don't believe it. Vote yes on Proposition 421. Let's outlaw smoking everywhere, even in people's homes, and allow honest citizens to legally kill anyone who smokes. Let's live in a world without smokers. Prohibition works. Let's prove it. Let's move up the food chain. It's time to smoke the smokers. Vote yes on Proposition 421.
Судовная песня.
I swear, I had my armpits tattooed the other day, and the guy said that I can't bathe for 2 weeks.
No. There bus. No got Australia. Instead of bus. Winter. To stay. To full bus. Ну, зараз їздить это красный червоный маркер. А тоді не було. Чу-ду-чу. Чу-чу-чу. Чу-ду-чу. І все, запалити зараз мільйон, да? Ми будемо плюс знову. Не будем у плюсе. Придется ограбить казино. Блин. У меня там куплен один будинок. Ну все. Будем рихтовать напад на казино тогда. Думал на буллете поехать, но ладно, пяшка так пяшка. Блин, там перед ним стол. Ось там уж мало ли поеду. Блин, ну что ж вы все так дрянно стоите?
So just chill till the next episode.
Gosh, I remember that day like it was yesterday. Jennifer looked so beautiful. I knew I'd love her forever. And then she was driving along a canyon and her brakes went out. I'm moving on now and married someone half my age. God, I love banging her. I started my life over with Crimson Executive Spouse Indemnity Services. Life can be uncertain, and you never know when your wife will be tragically taken away. Crimson set me up with a huge life insurance policy on my wife. I can't have her back, but now I have a second home.
I was devastated when I found out my wife was cheating on me, and even more so when she fell underneath the train. I was nowhere near the time, and my phone records proved it. My life changed forever. I was a real mess for hours. Thankfully, the week before, I'd met with Crimson. Thanks to Crimson, I've had a...
Я прилетел крыху далее, чем потрібно, бо я не видел, где я нахожусь. Я хотел ось там стать. Ну давай, задави меня. Багулина Ника была, бачили? Мне машину заспавнил. Подо мной прям. Одразу подо мной машину заспавнил. Бачили, я что-то сделал. Загробил что-то. Обошел.
Going in the sun is as dangerous as smoking or living too near a nuclear power station.
No, never again. Блин, это меня развернуло. Это же Guns N' Roses. Так? Или нет? Сдается, что это Guns N' Roses. Это на картах? Не, на мотоциклах. Не на мотоциклах. На мотоциклах. Треба нагавіться переодеть. Він пірнув його, бачили?
The Funkadelic, take a look at that. Want to see this? How about that? Got 8 of them. Tentacles, y'all. Love tentacles. Hold me by my funk, y'all. Whichever one you want to. Oh, what did I do last night? Party never stops on bounce. It burns when I pee.
The party on bounce.
Damn, I gotta go to the clinic. What happens when 5 eligible bachelors welcome a little girl into their lives?
Hey, it's my turn in the bathroom.
Non-stop hilarity. My 5 Uncles. The sitcom with a lot of heart. Hey, Gina, welcome to your new home. You sleep in
Ну
bed,
все, в конце дамбы будет финиш.
Whatever. Does anyone have something to smoke?
It's the show that
Так, наступная гонка на чем? На бандита? Блин, они забили квадратик где-то великий. Уверься. И зачем мне разумело, что это финиш? Они было лепить. Бандита? Бережи пустыни. Не знал мотоцикл.
It seems like a lot of y'all on these rocks out here on the streets, man. Too many of you fools that got you by the balls. So come on, y'all, man, get it together, man. Where's your heart at?
Ну туда поехал. Ну бывает.
And you're listening to my man, Julio T, only on Radio Los Santos. Keep it
Ще зараз отыграемся.
Today coming to work, I came through this thick fog for like 10 minutes, and it was crazy, man. And so what I did, I went to the back seat, got my Lynch Mob CD, and I put this one in. I was thinking about y'all, so I'm gonna play it again for all of y'all. Gorillas in the mist, it's the Lynch Mob, y'all.
Yeah. Гоночные турнир. У меня Никита как-то что подписался. То есть уже забился. Ну возьми ты его. И что я вылетел после попередника?
That song reminds me of Crossbow. I love crossbows. And shit, little garden gnomes. Bastard, stay out of my garden. Mary Beth Maybell knows how to get bitty. Mary Beth taking you through the night. We got a long way to go. So choose some tobacco